Alright, made our way back to the beach. As you can see, it's not the best prettier day. Very cloudy. Thunderstorm is coming later today, you can tell. I mean, look how high it is with the water.
We're sorry, your call cannot be completed if dialed. Please check the number and try again.
Man, good morning, good morning, good morning. We're starting off nice and early. About to make some breakfast for everybody. Get the day started with some good old Rocky pancakes. Girls are doing their hair. Isabella. Hi. Put some spotlight on the slide. Whatever comes through. Woo! Alright, we are heading to the spot, eat lunch, and then we'll be going to the beach. It's gonna be a nice long beach day. She's upset that she can't have any of my food. She got her food coming in a minute. Everybody's eating right now. I'm already done. Well, that was nice, a little chaotic at the end, but all around nice. Let's get things going.
Alright, made our way back to the beach. As you can see, it's not the best prettier day. Very cloudy. Thunderstorm is coming later today, you can tell. I mean, look how high it is with the water. But yeah, we had to cut the beach trip short, as you can see the reasoning. But yeah, it is choppy, which is why our beach trip had to be cut short today. Today was the last day.
Here, like on our way here, wasn't there a beach here?
Yeah.
There's a beach down there.
A little bit left. There's some peeps out there.
Hi, I have a question. Do your pizza boxes say on top of it, do they say life tastes better with pizza? We're trying to find our favorite. They don't say. Oh. Okay, thank you.
10 minutes I was on hold.
Well, we're trying to figure out dinner plans right now. Did a little bit of laundry, and now we're gonna go pick up our food at the place I got with the bachelor party. When I went to my bachelor party, that's what food we're picking up right now. Well, this day ended up going pretty quickly. The kids are asleep now. We're getting things packed up, ready to go for tomorrow because we leave tomorrow. But we're enjoying a nice little movie night right now, watching Pitch Black with everybody. And unfortunately, Mackenzie got really sick today, and she's been trying to recover as much as she can. Stay close. Today. But doing the best we can with some family quality time.
That's true.
No, you didn't.
Bruh, you're telling me I did nothing?
I scared her. I actually.
We just enjoyed our last night here at the Airbnb with a nice little horror movie, Texas Chainsaw Massacre, on Netflix. She can't go to sleep now. Poor little baby.
Shut up.
So now we gotta stay up and watch a comedy, and it's currently 12:40. Yeah, we still gotta watch something funny. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you like, subscribe, and favorite. Share with a friend or two or three. As always, live free, work hard, and base on. Join us next time for another vlog.